everyone. My name is Roberta Galli, and I'm responsible for the hydro services business within GE Renewable Energy. I'm here today with my colleague Thierry Miscioscia, product line leader for GE Hydro Services, to discuss about innovative solutions that we have developed in the field of condition assessment and diagnosis of hydro plants. If we look at the investment trend in the hydropower market over the next few years, we see significant spend in services on the existing hydro plant install base. And among these services, diagnosis and condition assessment of the hydro plant are key enablers to evaluate the real status of the plant and its components, and they also allow an hydro operator to take accurate and educated decision on the type of intervention and maintenance to be done on the plant. Thierry, first question for you is about sharing with us some insight on the diagnostic solution that are made available by GE Hydro Services to hydropower operators today. And in particular, how do we support them making the right decisions on the interventions required on their hydro plant based on the status of their components?
Hello, Roberta. Sure. Hello, everyone. GE proposes a condition assessment and audit program which combines mainly three elements: a GE expert on site, our knowledge through feedback of experience and data references, but also all the tooling to perform the test. On generator, we propose a widening diagnosis program called WIDI Pro, which consists mainly in a visual inspection, checking on a slot wedging or AC/DC electrical testing. On turbine, we usually perform visual, dimensional and NDT checks of the wet parts, which allow us to map any damaging defect like cavitation or cracks. Finally, at plant level, we propose unit performances and behavior assessments, like efficiency and vibration measurement, or, when possible, blades mechanical stress measurement, which usually help customers to validate or reconsider the operation range of the machine.
Let's now take a look at technology and robotic solution. What is the latest technical innovation in diagnostic tools that GE Hydro developed to improve the way we perform condition assessment on the hydro plant components?
Yeah, I'm pleased to present today, Roberta, our most recent solution that GE Hydro developed, tested and deployed to perform underwater turbine runner inspection using robots. This solution is the breakthrough in a turbine condition assessment. Remote operated vehicle inspection, and I will say ROV inspection, reduces safety risk and suppresses the cost of unit dewatering and platform or scaffolding installation, for instance. It eliminates works in a confined space, work at height, and diving operations. Finally, it reduces outage time needed for a turbine inspection from a couple of weeks to less than 1 or 2 days. In 2020, GE Hydro developed and patented this solution that makes it possible for the ROV to enter all types of Francis runners, despite the space between blades is very narrow, delivering very high-quality results. The overall benefit of this approach is the detection of the same defects as a conventional visual inspection.
Thanks, Thierry. This robotic technology is really fascinating. But getting back to condition assessment, customers are looking at two elements that really matter when assessing status of an hydropower plant. One is performing the assessment at the lowest possible cost, and second, the shortest possible outage time, while making sure any defect necessitating intervention is caught. What we at GE Hydro Services can offer to meet these needs?
GE Hydro Services has developed customized condition assessment programs that bring value to hydropower operators in three different areas, Roberta. The first is people, presence of a GE skilled engineer on site giving first diagnosis and assessing root cause analysis of the defect or proposing further engineering check if needed. The second one is the knowledge. We have, with a robust engineering domain knowledge and global data built on thousands of references collected during multiple years of experience. Our consulting engineers are also remotely connected to site during the inspection to provide support on specific technical questions, for instance. The third one is innovative technology. Introducing robotic in inspection activities is a breakthrough solution, driving more safety, shortening inspection time, while keeping very accurate outcome.
Thanks, Thierry, for the interesting insight that you share with us today. So people, knowledge, and breakthrough solution are key elements in the GE Hydro Services innovation journey to bring more and more value in any services that we perform on hydropower plants.
Yes.
Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you too. Bye-bye.